Next topic for beginners in English. At the subway or metro, easy English navigation. Subway, lines, transfers, and stations. Level, beginner, easy English.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Learn English Channel podcast. My name is Carlos.
And I'm Jenny. We're very happy you're here today. We speak slowly. We use easy words. We help you feel confident.
Today's episode is very useful for daily life and travel.
The topic is At the subway or metro, easy English navigation. You will learn how to talk about subway lines, stations, and transfers. Relax, listen carefully, and repeat with us.
Basic subway/metro vocabulary.
Let's start with easy words. Please repeat after me. Subway, metro, train, station, line, map, ticket, platform, entrance, exit.
Great. Now easy meanings. Subway/metro equals train under the city. Line equals route of the train. Station equals place where the train stops. Platform equals place to wait for the train.
Tickets and entering the metro.
Now let's talk about tickets. Repeat slowly. I need a ticket. I have a ticket. I need one ticket. Where can I buy a ticket?
Easy answers you may hear. Buy a ticket here. Use the machine. Scan your ticket.
Looking at the metro map.
The metro map is very important. Repeat after me. This is the map. I look at the map. I need this line.
Very good.
Very good.
Asking about lines.
Now let's learn one of the key questions. Repeat slowly. Which line is this? Is this the blue line? Is this the red line?
Great job.
Great job.
Dialogue. Asking about the line. Dialogue 1. Simple line conversation.
Excuse me, which line is this?
This is the green line.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Talking about stations.
Repeat after me. This is my station. What is the next station? I get off at the next station. Easy answers. The next station is Central Station. This is the last station.
Changing lines. Transfers.
This is very important in the metro. Repeat slowly. Where do I change? Where do I transfer? I need to change lines.
Very good.
Dialogue. Asking where to change. Excuse me, where do I change?
You change at main station.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Directions inside the station.
Repeat these words. Left, right, straight, up, down.
Example sentences. Go straight. Turn left. Go down the stairs. Go up the escalator.
Talking about time.
Repeat slowly. What time is the train? The train is coming. The train is late. Good job.
Good job. Announcements in the metro. Listen to these common announcements. The train is arriving. Please stand back. Next station.
These sentences help you understand what is happening.
Listening practice, short story. Now listen carefully to this short story.
I am at the metro station. I buy a ticket. I look at the map. I take the blue line. I change at Central Station. I get off at my station.
Polite English in the metro. Repeat these polite words. Please, thank you, excuse me, sorry.
Example sentences. Excuse me, which line is this? Thank you very much. Sorry, I don't understand.
Full conversation, beginner level.
Dialogue 2. Complete Metro conversation. Excuse me, which line is this?
This is the blue line.
Where do I change?
You change at City Center Station.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Common problems and easy solutions. Sometimes problems happen. Repeat. I'm lost. I missed my stop. I need help.
Easy answers. No problem. Take the next train. Go back one station.
Listen and repeat practice. Repeat after me. Subway, line, station, platform, map, change. Excellent. Now it's your turn. Answer out loud. Which line do you need? Where do you change? What is your station?
Speak slowly and clearly.
Final vocabulary review. Let's review today's words. Subway, line, station, map, change.
Great job.
You did an amazing job today.
Now you can navigate the subway or metro in English.
Remember to practice every day, even for a few minutes.
Thank you for listening to the Learn English Channel podcast.
See you next topic.